Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to reduce CPU usage in Windows 11 so you can stop high usage and improve system performance. We will use the latest Windows 11 settings and tools. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click Processes. Click the CPU column to sort by highest usage. Right-click any app that is using high CPU and you do not need. Click End Task. Now click Startup Apps on the left side. Disable unnecessary startup programs to reduce background load. Next, click the Start button, then click Settings. Click System. Click Power and Battery. Set power mode to best power efficiency if you want to lower CPU activity. Now go back and click Windows Update. Click Advanced Options. Turn off delivery optimization if you do not want background update sharing. Click Privacy and Security. Click Search Permissions. Click Clear Device Search History. Now press Windows key plus R. Type services.msc and press Enter. Find sysmain. Double-click it. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Click Stop. Click Apply and then OK. Restart your computer after making these changes. Your CPU usage should now be lower during normal use. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.